Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll guide you through the proper steps to troubleshoot a common network issues such as no internet connection, whether you're a student, a professional, or just browsing at home. This guide will help you fix your connection like a pro. So, let's start with the basics. Check, check if modem and router are properly connected. Ensure all cables are securely plugged in. If you're using Wi-Fi, make sure your device is connected to the current network. Sometimes, a simple restart fixes the issue, unplugging your modem and router. Wait for 30 seconds, then plug them back in. Once all the lights are stable, try reconnecting to the internet. Next, let's check the network settings. Open command prompt as administrator and type ipconfig. Look for your IPv4 address. If it says 169.254.xx, it means your device is getting an IP address from the router. In command prompt, type the following commands or ipconfig/release. Then click enter. Next is the ipconfig/renew. This will request a new IP address from your router. To test your connection, type ping 8.8.8.8 in command prompt. If you get replies, your connection to the internet is working. If these steps don't work, check with your internet service provider to see if there are any outage in your area. You can also try updating your network drivers. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to troubleshoot network issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. See you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.